But before we end the show, it's important to take a look at the life and times of M. Venkaiah Naidu, a popular face of the Bharatiya Janata Party. He brings with him rich experience in public life to the office of the Vice President, both as a student leader and a political figure. M. Venkaiah Naidu gained praise for his brilliant oratory skills, for vigorously championing the cause of farmers and work towards the development of backward classes in areas. In fact, these skills propelled his political career. Take a look.
Days ago, he was the Minister for Urban Development and Parliamentary Affairs in the NDA government. Now Venkaiah Naidu takes on a new role as the Vice President of India. It's been a long journey to the high office for Naidu, who was born in 1949 in a family of farmers in Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh. After completing graduation, Naidu pursued law from Andhra University in Visakhapatnam. In 1973, he joined the ABVP and soon attracted attention with his outspoken nature and communication skills. His humble background dictated his approach to public life.
आज वो कल तक वो मेरे साथ मैं प्रधानमंत्री था, वो मेरे साथ में एक मंत्री थे. किसी समय वो अध्यक्ष हुआ करते थे, मैं मंत्री हुआ करता था. तो ये बदलाव होने के बाद भी हम लोगों को उस पद गरिमा को रिस्पेक्ट बनाए रखना, ये हम लोगों को सीखना पड़ता है.
As a minister, Naidu launched many schemes for the welfare of rural classes, including the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. He also tried to rope in multinational companies for various rural development projects. To serve the poor and the downtrodden in his home district Nellore, Naidu initiated a social service organization called Swarna Bharat Trust. It provides education to needy children and imparts employment training to women and the youth.
He's the right person, he's the most lovable person. I think everybody loves him a lot, and he's the most capable, and he knows the entire parliament, the whole politics, and very lovingly he tells everyone. Everybody likes him, so we all want him.
Naidu has been active in social and political movements since the Jai Andhra movement of 1972. He won the Andhra Pradesh Assembly elections twice in 1978 and 1983. A strong orator, he rose quickly within the party ranks, was appointed the State Unit General Secretary and then the State Party Chief. He served in the Rajya Sabha before being appointed Union Minister when the NDA came to power. He played a key role in sealing the BJP Telugu Desam Party alliance and during discussions ahead of the bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh.
देखिए, वेंकैया नायडू जी गांव गरीब किसान, झुग्गी झोपड़ी के इंसान के सरोकार के प्रति एक समर्पित व्यक्तित्व हैं. उसके साथ ही साथ संसदीय व्यवस्था और लोकतांत्रिक मूल्यों के प्रति बहुत समर्पित और उसके बहुत जानकार हैं.
Naidu is the second BJP man to occupy the office of Vice President after Bhairav Singh Shekhawat, and like Shekhawat, his term in office will be watched closely for the way he uses his long experience in public life to steer the agenda as Rajya Sabha chairman. Bureau Report, WION.